Ebube Muonso before meeting Okwafuano.
Stupid one Dibia that was defaming father Ebube Muonso on the social media. Ofu akamma na ndị Chineke ndị love Ebube Muonso kalia Chineke of the event. Sunday on a phone. Even one of the state governors ask my driver Christian their neighbor. That I've sent for his information to get him arrested. Let me finish him. Money let me finish him. He can't install my prophet and go free. Charlatans. Get a camera here.
All right, Emily Fokumbo Ebube Muonso. Also, even said na one of governors body on a phone. I got Nmiri Eweilo, got what she had. No way for him, Ebuka. Okwanwa, can't you come my address? Obuza he farful, I nature kind of spiritual men of God now. Abaigo imi henka no. Because now, if I never say na boy kazi be ato anyanga. Where kazi benya babuenya wane nwere moku the same way si were onye Mazi Dibia ndụmọdụ ka mbe sinyekwa Nmiri Eweilo ndụmọdụ. All these our traditional people now they emezi ka content creators. The same thing na ka eji were amụfa amụ ịwọcha ndụ ọ na-ebi na mbụ Mazi Dibia a former content creator ka ọ bụ na nwere ife ọ bụ na ọ masị. If I never watch Oja, I dash young ego or matter for one country, can I read over? If you want to,
like I said, I'm going to play another video before I will speak. I wouldn't want my governor Sorudo to be putting mouth in the war of native doctors and the prophet and pastor Reverend Father. Because we are talking about spirituality. Obuni claim you're a Reverend Father, you are a pastor, you're a prophet. If native doctor call you out for challenge, it's just for you to prove it. Because if I, the Yahweh, did not come out to prove to Akwa Okoko and to the whole world and to Nanambra and Igbo state and then we send that state that I have the real power of God today. This Oke Ite, you see that Ebuka Obi is using to make money. All the whole pastors now is talking about Oke Ite, even governors too, talking about Oke Ite to make money. Where are you people, 2022, when I fought with my life, spend my money, spend everything, this is my life, to serve in Igbo. Now you're taking glory to giving to fake prophet and fake evangelists and fake reverend. As long as I am concerned, Ebube Muonso, enough is enough. If you do not take this challenge, you're a coward. That means you're a fake. Ebuka Obi, if you do not take this challenge, that means you're a fake. I'm here to tell you straight to your face. How come a little native doctor will be challenging people with talking story or police? You call this one. Police is out of this. We're talking about spirituality. If you cannot use your spiritual power to overcome them, then close your church. Now, let me pray one video. Because here is if you know the shame, I the shame. When I shame, they shame me because this is not what the Bible teach me. That's why
I agree to my lovely family.
This is why. That's why if I come out to fight, it will look at somebody have called me say, "Are you the only prophet in Anambra State?" They did not call your name. Allow the people they call their name to do this one, to defend themselves. We know you're a true prophet. Allow Ebuka Obi, allow Ebube Muonso to come and prove to us that they are genuine prophets. I say no problem. I will allow them. That's why I'm making this video. I want to allow Ebube Muonso and Ebuka Obi to prove to them the same way I proved to Akwa Okoko in the time of Oke Ite. And I will not want anybody, any of useless fake pastor or fake Reverend Father or fake evangelist like Ebuka Obi or Ebube Muonso to be using Oke Ite to trend. No, you're not part of the when we fight that war. You're not part of the battle. So you shouldn't be using that Oke Ite that I fought to be acting King Cup. First, Nmiri Eweilo and first Mazi Dibia that challenging you. Ebube Muonso, Chineke Abawoko. Fight war, Chineke. If you're not fake, you'll be the one to stop Oke Ite in Anambra State. But you're not there. Yeah, because if you're not fake, I can never support you people because I know you're not genuine. If you're genuine, it cannot be in Anambra State. Millions of people name Oke Ite until I came to fight the war. When I call Coco Boy, challenge you people. For almost a month, nobody came out until I come and take the battle. This time, I'm always coming to take the battle, but I received some calls. Pastors and many people called me and say, every time you come out, leave those people to prove themselves. Since they are saying you're fake, since when they talk say I be fake, they want to leave Ebuka Obi be real prophet to come and prove to us that he is more powerful than Nmiri Eweilo and the Mazi Dibia. I want Ebube Muonso to prove to us too, the same way I proved to Oke Ite. So people will know that he has power. Forget about crowd. Anybody can gather crowd. You gather crowd, you go and carry Oke Ite. It doesn't mean you have power. That does not mean anything. You go and destroy idol. Doesn't mean you have power. Anybody can go and do that. Even fake prophet can, even fake native doctor can go and do that. That's why we are calling people LNG. We want to make sure this LNG start. That's why I started healing people on the street, because I know there's a range inside on Onuka. I started online spiritual solution. I've healed medical doctor from America. Through this tracker, people have gotten their pregnant, people have getting deliverance, people have get breakthrough all over the whole world, tested and trusted. But you people decided to label me evil, especially Ebuka Obi Chukwuka, for you to promote your Zion of Satan. But only you go and keep us. Ebuka Obi, you must take this challenge if you're not Trobon prophet. Yes. Name it up and down. You're doing that, and governor should remove himself for such this thing. If we find out anybody doing LNG, that church to be burned to ashes. I hear they could be somewhere they are born like they should also burn the church like that. That church should close down. But I'm giving the credit to my Anglican church to exposing suspending their pastor who did LNG. Yes, that is what they call integrity. You make a chance to come and prove the power in him about also. There's one video I want to pray. Let me see. I don't know why this is still on. I want to pray this video before I proceed. Okay. Okay, let me play this video.
This challenge. What Mazi Dibia say? What Mazi Dibia say? And when on man on Anambra State, say I will pick him Dibia alongside myself of all. Then even on the loss let us line 1,000 strangers. After 3 hours, let us record with error and with accuracy. Any of them will not send them. If I come that day, no matter the end of the number, melody of one man was. Then we let them I don't hate you. In fact, your music, the way you have been singing in the church, I like it. I don't want you to be like you man. I believe that you will live in a million years old. I have nothing with you. But let me say this for you to hear. Accept that challenge. Mazi Dibia Nmiri. Challenge your body. If you know that you are a real person, accept that challenge. Stop beating around the bush. Yes, man. And what do you want to at home? Everywhere, insult. Those things are just trying to. You are just trying to run away from the challenge. Which is the truth. But over the years, people have hated on traditionalists. Even though we go to the content creators, not this kind of thing. I will call them. My man, they say, "Government is going to go." But I say, "They will be able to last more." Which in 2023, more people become a logo. You see, I'm going to see a challenge, open challenge. Now, I will show all one about the Nakonia, learning immediately. But nobody agreed to support that challenge. You can go back to my 2023 video and watch it. That is why you will. You can say that one level challenge you can wait till then. Million a woman and I am making Mazi Dibia will get a bank give what it was on the side of a normal boss and many they were used within 2 hours and not already. But nobody went there. Actually, we made this very challenge. We were very calm. We were good. I am actually money called. I like a call. Now we got and I am my copy pastor. So they say, "What are you in 3 years?" Because I didn't actually let's leave back and then. I thought about money unless you might go to the Yahweh. Only can make the Yala rollers and never the middle of the small grandchildren. But over, but that one that can go. Eventually, I'm going to very challenge on that day. which I will urge the government of Anambra State, which is Chukwuka Dibia, I urge you to support it because he has always been against the media. Saying that no, you can't let it be the youth. Government should actually challenge you when they support it. I live in Delta State, but I will come back to Anambra State for the challenge. More on that very day. Put camera, let it be like a BB Nigeria. But I know what I'm not. I very sick. Maybe not a new rose.
Many of you know. Let me pray.
Nmiri Eweilo ekwu nke ya ọ bụ gịnị ka okwu o kwuru si na ọ ga-akọtaba ndị nne mgbe ka ndị ụka na-esi na Jizọs na-eme mmadụ ọgaranya na ha ji devices dị key eji eme onye ahụ nda mgbe ka ọ bụrụ ọgaranya. Nmiri Eweilo nwọkala kwuo egwu osio na Nmiri Eweilo nwọkala kwuo egwu osio na orugo na omume.
Of course, this is time to know that Ebuka Obi is fake or real. This is time to know, not be to come and be writing nonsense on my page. Okay, no talk. Thank God for this challenge. My governor, remove yourself from this battle. Let you doctors share the telecast. Share the telecast. Tag Ebuka Obi, tag Nmiri Eweilo, tag Ebube Muonso, tag Ebuka Obi. They know they call my name. They know they call my name. They know I am spiritual warrior.
Onye ọbụla mbụ pastọ na Igbo achọrọ m ime ụka ị na-aka orugo na mme na n'aka m im n'aka open challenge any stage ọla ndị na Igbo choose dibịa ka m na-eme ị mara onye na-ekwu okwu tata ofu ọya nkasịsị siri esi ike ọgwụgwọ bụ ọya akpọrọ ya kansa amalụ oyibo anyị mara bụ onye ọya ọzọ mgbagotelụ nkasịsị ike bụ ọya kidney amalụ ọya na-agwa ọ bụrụ fere onye orire ihe agbakwa m n'aka echi.
Now, let me take you back to the challenge when it started last 2 months. When I came out for the challenge, Mazi Dibia ran because they know that I am most powerful prophet in the world. That if you see the truth, you cover it because I will not be your pastor, I will not be your evangelist. But that doesn't mean the world did not know the truth. Even native doctor know that the Yahweh is more powerful prophet in the world. That's why if I put my challenge, I've accepted, all of them will run away. But they want you people who are always doing knowledge, which is I'm against. So this is not time to say, you call police for what? I don't want anybody to say, are you the owner of the police? We are all citizens of Nigeria. They are doing their practice. If you claim what they are doing is evil, then this is time to prove it to them. So if we'll be able to prove it, because me fighting Oke alone, destroying Oke Ite, I win many souls back to kingdom of God. And that is why Ebuka Obi started learning. The people that are converted from Oke Ite and the mbaka, when Mbaka church was closed down, it's what brought Ebuka Obi to limelight. Now Ebuka Obi come to label me, blackmail me, pay people like J-Pack and the Ijo, Ezugo, just Agobola, them, all those Zion media criminals team. Because I on them to blackmail me, so it look like Ebuka is more powerful. Ebuka is nobody. Time to reach. You go be prove who your power. But also, governor call you. Which governor call you? Where you want go carry that to Oke Ite? Governor no call you. Where did they collect money from people? Governor no call you. Now where you go come prove the battle? You say governor call you. Ebube Muonso come and go and sit down. This is why people say you're fake. This is why people are insulting pastors. You prove yourself. You have Elijah, you're praying God of Elijah. Can you do what Elijah do? Elijah no run for, no say government come fight for me. Elijah stop.
Mazi Dibia Nmiri Eweilo, I have accepted your open healing challenge. I can't watch you people destroy Igbo youths in name of freedom, women and nature and cultic kingdom.
What Mazi Dibia say?
enwere onye amụma nọ na Anambra steeti si na amụma ya ka nke anyị nwa bụ ndị dibịa. I will pick ndị dibịa ịtọ alongside myself ọ bụrụ 4. Then ndị amụma kachasị ebu ama even ndị tụrụ ọsị na mbụ n'anya. Let us line 1,000 strangers. After 3 hours, let us record with error and with accuracy. Ọ bụ na anyị nwa bụ ndị dibịa atụrụ ndị a akwụkwọ.
The same way I destroy Oke Ite, I'm here to destroy Samari and your Aroburago na Igbo.
Mgbe anyị na-eje ụka, akọla anyị akọ etu Ịlaịja na ndị ama abalị si wee makara anyị. Ụmụ ya rịa dị aka na Anambra kịta, anyị adọba alụsị tinyere nke ọ na-apụ anwụrụ. Fọma bịa n'aka Mazi Dibia. Then
Mazi Dibia and Nmiri Eweilo, who are you to challenge Chukwuka Dibia, Almighty Yahweh? Have accepted your healing challenge. Pick a date and pick a venue. If I did not heal more than your Arobulago and Samari, let Governor Sorudo close my church and jail me. But if I hear more than you people, they will jail you. Mazi Dibia.
I want this video to also go to Father. I want this video to also go to Father. I want this video to also go to Ebuka Obi and the so many pastors here mention their names. I want them to see this challenge. Let them accept it. Let us throw a challenge with Nmiri and
Okay, for the challenge. Now, why I'm making this video to not look like all the pastors are the same. Listen very, very well. Me and Ebube Muonso know they worship the same God. Me and Ebuka Obi know they worship the same God. Let us leave Mbaka out of this because Mbaka is old and they have trained, at least so trained Ebube Muonso and the Ebuka Obi. So Mazi Dibia and the Nmiri Eweilo, well, your request is very, very open and genuine. I will not be biased. I will not, you know me, I don't support anything fake. I believe in reality. The time when me and Matthias them do and they run. So this is simple. And this thing must put an end to it. Because if it's before, when I have not fought Akwa, if I'm online, people will call me up, I'm this and that. But when I fight Akwa, conquer Akwa, everybody run away. If I'm alive like this, I will have like more than 100,000 followers before they hack my page. Who hacked my page was Ebuka Obi Zion of Satan. I conquered J-Pack them with Akwa. Because of me, J-Pack entered Zion, went to fund Zion Media World Team to fight me. And Ebuka Obi allowed that. So they did all their this thing. They make as we go make many videos. Just talk about make many videos. They brag, maybe they said a lot of things which is lie. I never call police for them. It's not like I cannot like petition and I look at it. This is spiritual, but I say I'm going to deal with them spiritual, and I did with them. I start from J-Pack, Pia J-Pack, J-Pack and Zion have problem. Pia just Sagobola, also na Zion. Pia Ebuka Obi na mbaka problem everywhere. They confirm them. I know they pray. I can tell you they pray, they show. This Nmiri Eweilo now cannot call my name. He's afraid of me because 2022, money up again, you send there no spiritual poison. Matthias money up again. That's why I cannot see them mention my name. I for confirm. When you say Jesus, Ezobi, this challenge where they talk now, don't call them 3-4 years ago, but none of them appear. But now they're using the amount to call this challenge. Why can't you, Ebube Muonso, prove to us that the Yahweh is nobody? Why can't you, Ebuka Obi, prove to us that you're the one that fight Oke Ite? I am the one that fought and stood and fought Oke Ite. Even Chibo was making thinking, say, God will not save you, God will not thinking Akwa will defeat me because they know Akwa have power. But they don't know how prepared I am. So this is obvious that all Nigeria pastors are useless. All the Igbo prophet and prophet are useless. You're always waiting for after battle. You come and say, okay, the man cannot walk half level on here. Level on here, come out and prove to us now. Come and take challenge. You will run. After everybody's kind of 2022, when I walk up, come out. Well, all of you no long, useless people, all of you no long. Look at small native doctor use it to do caricature. Call him. Governor Sorudo should give us a date. All the pastors should come out. That in Anambra State, if you know you have power, come out. Don't call. If you know you're doing miracle, you must come out and prove your miracle on camera. What this guy Bragg is saying or whatever, what is that native doctor name? You come and prove it on camera. This thing I have talked it 4 years ago, 2022. Everybody should come out so we know who is who. It's not about a crowd. Don't deceive people. Don't do great from Anambra, from this place, from Enugu. It do nonsense. And I anybody that will come and say the Yahweh give prophecy or no, my professor can tell you problem after you something for now to destroy that will be, if it's something that I will work to remove is a pray to also anybody to be using police, especially because when I started, if you know God, if you know be God, that God waiting for kill somebody. You understand? So we are against to put it. I say because I like help me to share and tag others people. And who are reporting the page both Zion. It's more than one at you. So you become people. So this also if find the governor give you if you find pastor government send your man if you arrange more when the marriage will be first I don't say happen as family have come from America, from UK, they could see their money waste some millions or 20 million. Spend 1 month, spend 1 minute, some spend 3 months. Is it not evil? When you could say, kid of Yahweh, they call police. You don't see how they are treating me. Why are they treating me? Everybody say, anybody that shed money is fake. Anybody that doing this one is fake. I say, anybody that is worshiping Mary is fake. Anybody that send water is fake. Anybody that send stick to people is fake. Because if your sticker is so powerful, why are you using police? Or two genuine Ukraine uncountable arrangements that have conflict that are going to many people are there to that. Video is on my video. If you not come to that, I mean pray for that guy never die. If you put fear, using prophecy to put fear on people, using prophecy to deceive people, if you want to say it, fake people will come out, people like Agaziah, they come out and Chukwuka Dibia, go and face your drink you're selling. Who make you a judge over pastors? Like who made you people? If you want to become pastor, go and join evangelists. All of you that always, anytime you put a on, God will punish all of you. If you want to defend the work of God, go and join evangelists and go to the street and hear people. Don't stay online and be talking nonsense. Hey, Yahweh, you're crazy. Can you do what I've done? Can you fight any kingdom? Can you deliver one person? You're fighting for Ebuka Obi. So if Ebuka Obi go to hellfire, you follow you to hellfire. Bible say, they shall not love anyone and don't let anyone to deceive you. I don't for you. I'm not saying for you to believe in me, but my antecedents speak for me. This is where they call now. If they call my name, I will come out. But even if they don't call my name, I can still come out. But they refuse to take it. They refuse to accept me. They say, okay, I don't prove myself. Make Ebuka Obi prove himself. Make Ebube Muonso prove himself, which is the truth. How can you come and carry Oke Ite that I fight and be chasing crowd and be making money? Chukwuka Dibia Nmiri, go and take the challenge. Ebuka Obi, how can you come and claim me Oke Ite? Did you fight Oke Ite? Are you there when we were fighting that battle? None of you was there. All of you scared and long. Cowards. That is why this native doctor cannot go in Akananya, because they know he have no power. They are doing it. The shame was too much. And I don't want God to humiliate. That's why I take the battle. Not because I don't have what I'm doing. Because I never see any power that can challenge the true man of God. It's only fake prophets and fake pastors and fake evangelists and fake reverend father that will hear native doctor talk. He will run. He said, for this guy, Governor calling you. Governor no call you when you want to go and carry juju. Governor no call you when you collect seed. The governor will now call you where now is supposed to come out and demonstrate your power. It's a credit to God. So nobody should come out and say, that's what you know God of Elijah. That's what we know Moses. Moses challenged fellow and overcome. David challenged Goliath and overcome. Elijah challenged the prophet of Baal and overcome. David Yahweh challenged Oke Ite. They put my name more than 10,000 idols and overcome. So which one have you talking about? Is a government? Government what? Ebube Muonso, you're a coward. Enough of this nonsense. Even the crowd, they have no crowd. That's why you deceive people. Marine kingdom. That's why you're afraid. All of you are Mami water worship. If you worship through God, go and challenge Nmiri Eweilo and Mazi Dibia. Forget about small boy. They call them. They are not small boy. Those boys, if we allow them, they will destroy everywhere. So the time to prove to, because if I did not fight Akwa Hoko 2022, do you know what will happen today? You think he can come out and talk? But because somebody have done that, and I told them that all of you will learn from another state. Without Sorudo, Akwa Hoko already have problem. That's why he entered to go and open hotel. Without Sorudo, yes, they no get problem. No, before without Sorudo, he never get problem. All of them don't get problem before Sorudo come. I'm already conquered them all. Akwa already have a problem, big problem. Before Sorudo now come and use police. This one is to spoil the work I did to look like it's police. Not police. Police is out of. No, we're talking about spiritual things. A thing that's no spiritual point. Do you know how many attacks that I received when I was fighting? Do you know the kind of battle? Do you know the group that Akwa have that time? This will be said to be send me an beast. I destroy it. I know they talk and they hide down. He's on hey. Only said Jesus send me virtue, I destroy it. Akwa send many power, send me as I destroy it. Nmiri Eweilo send me spiritual food poison, I destroy it. Matthias did his own. So you think why they're not calling my name? Matthias, if he says lie, let him come out and Matthias put challenge, they overcome him in land. You have to prove it to them. Once you prove it, they will run. They will not call your name again. Because you have never proved it. Somebody say one call police. Call police for what? Why are you calling police? You have spiritual power. You have destroyed demons. So why can't you destroy their own idol? If you destroy Mazi Dibia idol now, people will not be following him. Then if you talk, they will not talk. But because they are active. And when I came out, they will run because they go to Muhana Abafa. They saw the angel that followed me. It's already blind man, I cannot see. Ebuka Obi know that I have 1.6 million angel. And all man, I'm by that money. What are you talking about? Are you a fool? When I said Ebuka Obi Zion, have you seen any Argentina? But I said I'm going to make the world to see his nyash. Then we'll now start seeing the Argentina. It's obvious. When I told Ebuka Obi will run from Gobara, did you see anybody calling him? No. But after the word I said, it began to happen. That's how to know prophet, no be guessing work. Trombone prophecy. When I tell them mbaka, they will close in church. They don't close in church. Now because of me, they close mbaka. Mbaka said Peter Obi say what? It's a stingy man. I said Peter Obi cannot allow you. Mbaka cannot allow what happened to Jonathan to happen to Peter Obi. And I said Mbaka, you're not a prophet. They will close your church. Within 7 days, Mbaka church will close. All the Mbaka members is what make Ebuka Obi now to start to acting as a celebrity. And the people that are converted to Oke Ite. When Ebuka begin to learn 2022, now me bring Ebuka Obi Zion to limelight. The money that I rejected from Satan, from occultic people, from Mary is what Ebuka Obi take. I begin to add big man. If he says a lie, let him come out. Let us prove it. I can prove it with video. I can prove it with power. I can prove it with miracle. Ebuka Obi is nobody. If you see me, he can't even take it. That's why I have gangsters, Zion them, Park them, Ijowa, Ezugo them, useless people come to fight for God. Stop doing that nonsense. Don't be putting yourself in spiritual battle. If I call Ebuka Obi, let Ebuka Obi call my name. Use his own power to fight me. If they call Ebube Muonso should use his own power to fight. Let it not be government. That's not why we need Sorudo. Why we need Sorudo now is to give us date. Let us come and prove the power. Then let the world know who carry power. Nobody say, okay, the chalk wine. After I fight Oke Ite, finish. Ebube Muonso will now use it to trend. Sorudo will use it to trend. Ebuka Obi will use it to trend. Where are you people? When we are fighting this battle? When I want waiting the rain. Even governor too is using Oke Ite to trend. Do you know how we fight the battle of Oke Ite? Sorudo, let us respect ourselves. That's not your field. Do you know how we fight Oke Ite? And I will not support you to start arresting any native doctor when not do anything. Because even pastors do worse than this thing. Do you know that Mary you worship is set up? Do you know that Mary is my water? What are we talking about? This is a water vow. I can challenge it anywhere in the world. Yes. What keep hope? What good have Roman Catholic done to Igbo? Roman Catholic introduced gay. Roman Catholic introduced lesbian. Roman Catholic introduced so many evil, so many occultic and Freemasons. We're not going to talk about it because you get crowd. Who be you? If you talk about prophet, Ebube Muonso go come out. If you talk about prophets, Ebuka Obi go come out. Chukwuka Dibia Nmiri. You pray to marine kingdom. You go indes one. But you watch it based on in Kedugwe. Go to Bible. Exodus 21 to 8. That I have named other God before me because I'm a jealous God. You got one grave image. Is it not the same Samari that you worship that Ebuka Obi worship? What's different from Samari and Mary? What is different from Mame Water and Mary? Ebube Muonso. Not gonna stop this. If you want to do Christianity, tell people the truth. They are all the same. Nmiri Eweilo is not worshiping doing Igbo tradition. You're worshiping Samari. It's a foreign god. The same way, Ebube Muonso, you're not worshiping the true God. You're worshiping Mary. It's a foreign god. They are the same. Nothing different. I cannot deceive anybody. I don't worship idol. I worship Chukwu. That's why I say Chukwuka Dibia. In Igbo language is Chukwu. In Hebrew language is Yahweh. In Hausa language is Oruwa. In Hausa language is Allah. In Yoruba language is Oruwa. One true God. Any other God is counterfeit. If you go Mary, mother of God, pray for us. How did Mary become mother of God? Well, you know, you say, when they fight me, or they fight me. They are all the same marine kingdom. Have you gone to Dibia before? No. How come spiritual husband is fighting you? How come Mama Water is fighting you? How come you're part of Obanje? Obanje is that Mary. This is why they had my pay. This is why I don't even care for you to follow. I'm here to destroy the kingdom of darkness. If we give them time, all of them did not take the challenge, which I'm already accepted. But they are calling me, say, hey, you're not part of it. We did not call your name. We know you're a true prophet. We want Ebuka Obi and the Ebube Muonso to prove to us that they are true prophets. Because God cannot lie. And he severed a lie. It's of Satan. Hey, blessing. You have your, it's not about blessing. It's not about Waziluke. Mazi Dibia is coming out. All the whole prophecy you give is fake. That's why I can say, I don't give prophecy to my member. Why? Not be your member go give prophecy. Not be people who know you go give prophecy, go confirm from them. You are afraid because you know if you give them prophecy, people will know. You can stop all those arranging. You have become disaster. Thank God for Ndagreka. Ndagreka know that Charlotte will bring a big problem for them. That's why they suspend him. So they suspended him, but the Roman Catholic will cover him on. You see your Isaiah, you see the error your useless Ebuka Obi is doing. You will not expose him. God say he covered the sin. We perish. If you don't know, no. Stop supporting evil. Stop supporting evil, so it will not affect you. Because you covering evil means you want many people to be led astray. You don't know that thing you say. If you say about talk about Ebuka Obi, you come and be fighting the person. You don't know God will punish you for that. If you don't know it. You are a church member. Go to church. If you see what people are saying, if it doesn't concern you, tell your own. Ebuka Obi no get out. Let him speak for himself. Let the broker where they pay speak for themselves. Zion, you move. If the problem that follow Ebuka Obi, do you know people that die because of what they don't know? People died because of what they don't know. In the wilderness, when children of God was coming out, Moses went to collect 10 commandments. Then he could not come back. Aaron. And this thing, they deceive Elon to go and give them God. Elon give them another God, they begin to worship. That's why many people died in wilderness. They could not enter the promised land. When Moses is going to collect 10 commandments. Read your Bible. I'm not God. Everybody is not God. Nobody is God. Nobody should be God. Everyone we are servant. Anybody that make himself a God is a God will punish him. He's a prophet, I'm a prophet. If you say what I'm saying is not the truth, come and challenge it. If anybody say Mary is not set up, come and challenge it. Put a house that's 100 million. We will come out. That is hard to know. House, what 100 million? Come and prove to me, Ebube Muonso, that Mary is not set up. Ebuka, come and prove to me that Mary is not set up. That is it. Mary is mommy water. If I call Nmiri will not come and prove to us that somebody is Igbo tradition, it will not, because you know it's truth. Mommy water is more dangerous than Oke Ite. Everybody now say Oke Ite. Wow! When I discovered Oke Ite, 2019, I saw people running mad. I've delivered more than 10,000 people from Oke Ite. I didn't post their videos because of the families. Something I helped them like that. Thousands of them. You come and one Oke Ite, go and carry it. Okay, many people they say you get power. Who tell you say you get power? When Ebube Muonso come to our village, Ibuku, he could not go and carry that. He sent small children. Later they arrest them, including one of my cousin daughter. They arrested them. We paid 10,000 to bear. You see how to do it. If you're liberation, if you want to carry out, go and carry it yourself. Don't be sending small children to go and be arrest. This is what people are doing. Oke Ite now, he said, governor call you. Which governor call you? Go and prove to us. Governor call you for what? What is concerning governor concerning your Oke Ite? Where go can? I can never support evil. I stand on the truth. I am not a traditional man. I am not a fake prophet. I am old prophet. I stand on the truth. A true person name a tradition, and a true person name Oka will the same thing. But in a Oka name arrange, you are working for Satan. In a Oka name, God's he that lies of Satan. Ebuka Obi lies many things that destroy Christianity. So we want nothing. This is your billion and nonsense. It's vanity upon vanity. That's why people are shouting us today. Because if I was not come out to fight Akwakoko, that I say all the powers. If any pastor talk, he will die. If any pastor challenge, which is very big challenge, you are there. I fight all the battle finish. You carry money to go. They give useless people when no do anything. What do they do? What is their contribution in Oke Ite? Do you know how many kingdoms I fight? That's why I decided not to say. Let me review people. After I come to that church, you do the 100 days. Have you gotten your deliverance? Have you gotten your liberation? No. That's a marine kingdom. Satan cannot deliver Satan. Satan cannot deliver Satan. Many can make you rich. Many can give you money. But that doesn't mean he's God. Because he's God of Momo. His Egyptian goddess Isis. Go and check it. God of Momo. He visited Jesus Christ in wilderness. Say, worship me, I will give you everything. So, hey, he get money. Get money. Do you know you have entered kingdom? You have sold yourself to Satan. Freemason no get money. Are they worshiping God? That is 99% of pastors. They belong to Freemason. Oboni, occultic, they are idol worshippers. But they will come and act as a God. God said, by their fruit you shall know them. Read your Bible. Anyone go contrary to the word of God is worshiping Satan. 10 commandments is the standard of God. So know it. You think I will come and be supporting fake pastor and be fake reverend? For what? You will call police. Governor call you. Governor call you what? Why governor no call you make you no go carry Oke Ite? Where you want go carry? Can go sit down. Make sure they use. I'm governor. So you should mind your. Not be only the Christian people they rule. You are ruling everybody in Anambra State. All of you, everybody, traditional people, everybody is your sons and daughters. If you find any native doctor where they do evil, arrest. If you find any pastor where they do evil, arrest and do what they do to everybody. If you find that you could go to a court or break a burn in Shalai. If you find pastor where they do evil, also burn the church. They are the same. So if you burn one or two churches, then people will run. If you're doing evil, it will change. But if you come, he will not arrest them. He will not. If you arrest any pastor, put it on the camera, including me. If you see me do evil or have juju or do a kid, if I walk them and the Nmiri Eweilo and the and the what do you call it? More for that. And I find the pastor honey. I'm not gonna confirm if it's true. Go and see the time the church burn the church. By the time you burn like 4 or 5, the thing will balance. Don't be say no native doctor. No, that's why I see me. I know they to support any pastor. When I know like Ebuka Obi now, if you want to talk about the pastor to arrest, Ebuka Obi should be the first person to be arrested because he started all this nonsense. I went and said, I'm jealous of you. But who is jealous of you? Jealous of you. The Jesus now your father. Zion now your business. Are you a Zion? Jealous of you for what? If it's your business, this is gospel for everybody. So if you're doing error, we should come out and speak it. Say, I think jealousy. Jealousy, you say, now you be the first prophet in the world or what? Now you be Elijah, or now you be Moses, or now you be David, where King Goliath, or now you be Moses, where go fight Pharaoh. What did they jealous you for? Jealousy because they deceive people with your fake prophecies and they acting like say they them Roman Catholic, why you're not. Betray people that help you. So I will take the jealousy. Mbaka is jealousy, the Yahweh is jealousy, and the is jealousy, Kevin, everyone is jealousy you. You're a fool for mentioning that jealousy. Jealousy say Jesus now father business. Because of the crowd, which crowd? Roman Catholic crowd does not belong to you. There is an ancient movement, cathedral. Go and open your own church now. Let us see how crowd you have. That's why anytime you have chicken, you run to Vatican. You go to, anytime Ebuka Obi there have problem, he will run to one Fatima. So they will still say he belong to Roman Catholic. Let's move from there now. You're not a brother. You're not a seminary. You're not a what do you call it? A reverend father. But you're going to there to hide. And you come in to say, reverend sisters are begging you. You're running them down because they keep you. You don't have office in Nigeria. They go down close the church. Yes, it's mbaka that helps you. Yeah, they are jealousing me. Nobody jealous you. You're using emotional blackmail to be blackmailing reverend fathers and reverend sisters to take their members. Share the telecast. Chukwuka Dibia, spiritual warlord. Oge erugo mgbe eji ama onye bụ onye. Oge erugo when we know who the powerful prophet. Umofike is on the lawn. Ebube Muonso is on the lawn. Ebuka Obi is on the lawn. Agwara m unu, mma agbara unu fumu ekiri. Ego. Yeah. Wow.
Mazi Dibia Nmiri. Shalom. Stand up for the presence of Rebecca again. Chukwuka Dibia, spiritual warlord. Chukwuka Dibia, imanakari mmadụ karịa n'ụmụọrị. Asị na na-esi Igbo bongo, ma na-esi komi Igbo bongo n'oyibo. Mgbịrịgba ite ego, ụba mgbịrịgba ite ego. Mgbịrịgba na-enye ndụ, ụba mgbịrịgba na-enye ndụ. My mama tell me say, kuwa muremba na-enye ndụ. My papa tell me say, kuwa muremba na-enye ego. Ụmụ Chineke, anyị abatago n'ọnya. Mgbịrịgba na-ebiri ya wee Chukwuka Dibia mgbịrịgba na-abụ anya. Mgbịrịgba Chukwuka Dibia kuwa mgbịrịgba na-enye ike. Anyị batara Lagos, kuwa mgbịrịgba n'ọya were onwe ha. Anyị batara Anambra, kuwa mgbịrịgba boys buru ike. Anyị batara Enugu, kuwa mgbịrịgba Enugu steeti nwere onwe ha. Anyị batara Abuja, kuwa mgbịrịgba boys buru ike. Anyị batara Aba, kuwa mgbịrịgba Aba nwere onwe ha. Anyị batara Port Harcourt, kuwa mgbịrịgba Port Harcourt buru ike. Mgbịrịgba na-ebiri ya wee, kuwa mgbịrịgba na-agbọ ya. Mgbịrịgba Chukwuka Dibia, kuwa mgbịrịgba na-enye ndụ. Mgbịrịgba Yahweh, kuwa mgbịrịgba na-enye ego. This is Zion City in the nation. We have come. The man that destroyed the born of Oke Ite. I have 1.60 million angels. In my channels are very clear. How much can it be of the man? The man who God sent to deliver Igbo from powers of darkness and from top of Satan and from many kingdoms. We have come to tear down and to put out and to set the children of God free from evil powers. My soul take back as in the Lord.
They are alone now. Why would they watch? Here they come. I am chained of Umofeke pastor.
Chukwuka Dibia, Imanakari Madokari Anumori, Asina de Sibubongo, one day Sigo Bibubongo, Murimba Itedo, Murimba Itedo, Murimba Negendo, Murimba